Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights.
Slowing things down a bit with Honor's lineup, today we're unboxing their newest stylish device, the Honor 500 Pro. So let's dive right in. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. As soon as we open the box, we're greeted by the pink variant of the Honor 500 Pro. It sticks with a flat screen design and looks incredibly slim in the hand. The camera setup matches the leaks we've seen earlier, so no surprises there. Moving on to the case included in the box, it's a simple transparent one. Honestly, phones with such bright and fashionable colors don't really suit plain solid color cases, so keeping it clear helps show off that shine. The camera module itself looks very premium, using a cold marking technique similar to what we see on the iPhone lineup. Overall, the phone follows the clean, modern design language that's trending in flagship models. That said, I personally feel the dual barrel camera layout looks a little out of place. On the front, the display has very narrow bezels, and visually they look quite uniform, though the bottom's rounded corner area seems just slightly wider. Still, the phone delivers a very polished, high-end look. Along the side, you'll notice the smart button, great for a device that focuses heavily on its camera features. It's just a pity that a few other expected features didn't make the cut this time. Let's quickly check the weight. The phone comes in at 206 grams. Overall, it's a sleek, stylish device clearly designed with younger users in mind. When it comes to pricing, I expect Honor to stick close to the previous generation strategy. Considering the strong specs we've seen so far, it should be quite competitive in its segment. After unboxing, my first impression is that the Honor 500 Pro is thoughtfully designed and feels premium in every way. The color option I have here leans on the softer side, but it's definitely a great fit for users who prefer a more elegant look. If the phone interests you, stay tuned. This is just the initial hands-on. I'll be uploading a full detailed review very soon. Make sure to subscribe and join our tech family so you don't miss it. I'll catch you in the next video.